Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm showing you how you can make buyable cash in your Roblox studio game. So the first thing we're going to do is actually insert the stats. So we're going to make a script in there into start server script servicer. We're going to be going game.players.playerAdded connect function. And we're going to be going player. And yes, I did change my name because if you searched up RB Gaming, my channel wouldn't show up at all. So I'm hoping now it should show up. But yeah. Anyway, we're going to be going instance dot, or we should be going local stats equals, or we'll go stat equals instance dot new. Then we're going to be going folder, and we're going to be going statser dot name equals leaderstats. We're not going to be doing any capitals there, otherwise it won't work. And we go stats dot parent equals player. We're going to drop 2 lines ago. Local cache equals instance dot new int value. Then we're going to be going cache dot name equals cache dot value equals 0, or however much cache you want your player to start off with. Then we're going to be going cache dot parent equals stat. Not stats, sorry. We're just going to be going that. That is our leaderboard script. So when you hit play, the leaderboard should show up, and it should say cache equal cache 0. Yep, we've got cache, and it says 0. I don't know why this happens. Alright. Yeah, I actually just made the game. I don't know why it does that. So that's our leaderstats script. We're going to name the script to leaderstats. Then we're going to be going inserting another script into this. We're going to be going local MPS equals game get service marketplace service. Then we're going to be, that's the only variable. We're going to go MPS dot process receipt equals function, and we're going to go receipt info with capital I. Then we're going to drop another line and go if receipt info dot product ID equals to then what we're going to do is we're going to publish our game. I've already published my game. I'm going to go out here, whoops, we're going to go to our game, configure it, go to developer products, create new. I'm going to name it 10 or 1000 cash price in Robux. I'll just make it like, I don't know, 50 Robux. Create the item. Now we're going to get this ID, we're going to copy it, and we're going to put it into there. And we're going to go then local player equals game dot players get player from user ID by user ID, sorry. So we're going to be going for that one. Then we're going to go receipt info dot player ID. Then we're going to drop another line and go player dot leaderstats. Oh, whoops, I spelled leaderstats wrong. Dot cache dot value equals player dot leaderstats dot cash dot value, and we're gonna go plus 1000. Then we're gonna go return enum dot product purchase decision dot purchase granted. Then we're gonna go drop 2 lines and go else if. Then we're gonna get from there, copy it up to here. If you want to sell to, we're gonna put a space and then paste that in. So we can also then create a new one, and we go like 10,000 cash. We'll make this let's say 200 Robux. Create that product ID, copy it, put it into here, then add an extra 0, and so that's every time that's bought, the player will get cash. So then we're just gonna insert a starter GUI. We're gonna insert a button, a text button. I'm gonna duplicate it. 10k cash and 1k cash. Then in here we're going to insert a local script and go MPS equals game get service marketplace service. And we're going to go ID equals, so then just whatever one we're doing. So this one's the 1k cash. Going to go back here, copy that, put it into here, paste it there. Then we're going to go local player equals game.players.local player. Then we're going to go script.parent.mouse button 1 click, connect function, don't put anything in there. We're going to go mps dot prompt product purchase. Then we're going to go player ID, and that should be the script. Then we're just going to duplicate the script, put it into this one, but we're going to change the product ID into this product ID. So in this one we'll change it to that, and we'll hit play. And then we can just test this out. So I'm going to close down the tab Explorer and Properties just because I don't really need it anymore. Okay, so we've got, oh my god, I don't know why it does that. Okay, so 1k cash, if you press it, 1000 cash, you hit buy, and then you see our cash has gone up by 1000. Let's see if the 10k cash works. For 200 Robux, yep, we got 10,000 cash, and you can buy it continuously. So you can keep buying the 10,000 cash. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Sorry I have not posted for a really long time. But yeah, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and just comment what I should do next, because one of the main reasons I haven't been posting is because I just don't know what to post anymore. So, yeah, just join the Discord server. I'll link that in the description. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!